Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold gain 0.5% against the dollar. The RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
US stocks advanced as market participants looked ahead to this week's slew of mega-cap earnings, economic data, and the Federal Reserve's monetary policy meeting. All three major US stock indexes advanced, with the tech-laden Nasdaq enjoying the largest percentage gain. Blockchain security firm PeckShield has published data summarizing the losses to hacks and scams in 2023. According to the company, $2.61 billion was lost in the year, excluding multi-chain losses, about 28% down compared to 2022. Amazon and robot vacuum maker iRobot said they would end their plans to merge in the face of opposition from EU and US antitrust regulators. iRobot announced a significant restructuring plan to reduce costs and said it would cut about 31% of its workforce.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's large retailer sales will be released at 23:50 GMT. Japan's retail trade at 23:50 GMT. The French gross domestic product at 06:30 GMT. The US JOLTS job openings will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 1000 hours GMT. The US consumer confidence at 1500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.